My name's Kirsty and I'm here to tell you all about my experiences on the Childhood and Youth Studies course at Bangor University. So I'm currently a third year student and I'm due to finish in the next couple of months, but I can honestly hand on heart say that this has been one of the best experiences of my life so far. I've met so many inspirational lecturers on my journey throughout my undergraduate degree who genuinely love the job that they do and they are so enthusiastic about the content that they deliver. Everyone has been exceptionally supportive. Lecturers genuinely want to see you do well and thrive in your studies, so they will support you as best they can throughout your studies and your journey at Bangor. It's quite difficult to pinpoint my favourite part about studying this course because I genuinely loved almost every aspect of it, but if I had to choose one thing, I'd probably choose the third year Identities in Childhood module. So it's all about Disney and how they reinforce gender norms throughout their films, amongst other things. It was a really interesting module delivered by a fantastic lecturer whose ambition for the topic really influenced me as a student. So if I had any advice for any prospective students who are looking to do this course, I'd honestly just say, go for it. It could quite possibly be one of the best things that you ever do.